Hi, we're going to start with big ideas again today. We're going to take a look at this chapter 6.1 and then 6.2. The only thing we didn't look at here yesterday was the compound interest. So if you could take a look at this example, if you don't recall about compound interest, and take a look at some of these model problems. Don't forget, in particular, compound interest, you're dividing the rate by the number of times a year you're compounding. So compounding quarterly, you're dividing by 4, and then that 4 goes up there on the exponent. So try a couple of those. Um, then I want you to go to chapter. We have assigned these yesterday, but I want you to go to then chapter 6.2, and I want to review what the natural base E is. If you recall, E is a number that's approximately equal to 2.718. And now there's some examples of how to use E. These rules follow really just like as if E was a variable X, even though it's not a variable. So you could practice a few of these. E to the 7th divided by E to the 4th would be E to the 3rd. Again, if you need more practice, you can use these tutorials. Otherwise, you can skip off and really look at the exponential growth and decay with E. If you recall, that had to do with the value of the R value. So you might going to read through here, use these tutorials so you can understand this, and then go to PERT and read this example. Again, here's a tutorial and here's a tutorial. So mainly you're going to focus on this section and this section, and then I'm going to assign problems from here that you can do online. All right, and again, I'll put down a due date, but take your time. Don't worry about getting it right. Just try to do the problems. All right. Have a nice weekend.